Hello class 12th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 13, Principles and Processes of Biotechnology. Now today's topic is application of genetic engineering. Okay, application of genetic engineering. The applications of genetic engineering have been starting. The genetically modified microorganism, GM, that is genetically modified organisms, or basically organisms. Okay, this is called GM, genetically modified. Okay, organisms and microorganism basically were the first that produced useful product like hormone, medicines and industrial chemical. The genetically modified plant and animal have shown great potential of genetic engineering in changing the production and quality of food. Gene therapy is being used by replacing the defective gene identified in the genetically inherited diseases. Gene therapy also used in it, application of genetic engineering, because जीन थेरेपी को यूज करके हम बहुत सारी जेनेटिक डिजीजेस को भी क्या करते हैं, ट्रीट करते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट वन, gene expression and structure. Gene expression and structure. Okay, now second one, in medicines में यूज करेंगे बाय प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंसुलिन, हॉर्मोन्स, ओके, एंटीबायोटिक, वैक्सीन, सीरम. सेकेंड, थर्ड, इन इंडस्ट्रीज and fourth one in agriculture and fifth one, that is gene therapy. Okay, now first one, gene expression and structure. The most important application of this genetic engineering that is to unravel the structure of a mechanism of expression of gene. Several eukaryotic genes have now been cloned and their DNA sequence is determined. The technique of genetic manipulation have revealed the concept of exon, intron and the structure and regulatory DNA sequence in the genome. ठीक है, जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग से हमें पता चलता है कि इंट्रॉन कहाँ पे लगता है, एक्सॉन कहाँ पे है, वेयर इसका पोजीशन कहाँ है, and structure and regulatory DNA sequences in the genome also. Okay, now next one, that is in medicine. Genetic engineering has led to the birth of new biotechnology whereby products and processes useful to humanity can be generated by igneous method based on living system and their components like and it offers a rational approach for understanding the molecular basis of many diseases like sickle cell anemia. सिकल सेल एनीमिया में हमें नहीं पता था कि इसका बेसिकली इसमें होता क्या है. नाउ इसमें क्या होता है, आरबीसीज जो होती हैं दैट इज नाउ बिकम अ सिकल शेप. इट इज़ अ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. ओके, एंड थैलीसीमिया, सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस. यूजिंग रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी, human proteins can be produced in abundance for therapy like insulin, growth hormone, plasminogenes activator. The technology is also used to diagnose existing disease and predict the risk of developing a given disease. Now in industry, the industrial application of recombinant DNA technology include the synthesis of substances of commercial importance in industry and pharmacy, improvement of existing fermentation process and the production of proteins from waste. Now next one, the agriculture. It would be possible to prepare clone of genetically manipulated plant and animals with desirable characteristic. This would increase the nutritive value of plant and animal food. Genetic engineering could lead to the development of plant and that would fix nitrogen directly from atmosphere rather than from fertilizer which are expensive. Now next one, gene therapy. It is very important nowadays in for the health. Gene therapy is a technique for curing genetic diseases. For curing genetic diseases. Okay. And by introducing a functional gene and thus complementing the function lost due to the defective gene. Furthermore, if the genes for trait such as intelligence or desirable physical characteristics are identified, then the future generation can be made better by gene therapy. Gene therapy was first carried out to correct the deafness in a mouse by introducing growth hormone. फर्स्टली हमने जीन थेरेपी से क्या किया था, डार्कनेस इन माउस को रिकवर कराया था. ओके, एंड डार्कनेस इन माउस बाय करेक्ट द डार्कनेस इन माउस बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द ग्रोथ हार्मोन जीन. In human, somatic gene therapy was carried out to correct the immunodeficiency disease called SCID. It is a 1 marks question in the board examination. Explain. SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. Severe combined immunodeficiency. Okay, this is SCID. It was treated by taking out stem cell from the bone marrow, transforming them by the transgene clone in a viral vector and re-injecting the transgenic cell into the blood. Okay, now next one, that risk of genetic engineering. What are this one is applications कि हम इसको कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, इन जीन एक्सप्रेशन एंड स्ट्रक्चर. डीएनए का स्ट्रक्चर पता करते हैं, उसका एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, कैसे रेगुलेट करेंगे, वी कैन नो. एंड नेक्स्ट, इन मेडिसिन लाइक सिकल सेल एनीमिया और आपका सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस, इन मेडिसिन डिजीज एंड इन डिजीजेस का हमने बेसिक जाना कि ये किसके थ्रू होती हैं, क्या इसमें मॉडिफिकेशंस होते हैं जीन में, तो हम इसको करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ इंडस्ट्रीज, एग्रीकल्चर, जीन थेरेपी इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज risk, because it's related to the animal and plant. What are the risk here? Risk of GE, genetic engineering. Okay, there is much controversy over the benefits being derived from the risk involved in changing the genetic makeup of organism by introducing gene from unrelated organism or cloning organism with a new gene. There are concern over harmful effect of consumption of genetically modified food, the ecological effect of GM organism, and ethical consideration of generating new species and changing the genetic makeup of humans. It is so far the scientists and government world over to assess the evaluate any potential short term or long term प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है, जो जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड हम खा रहे हैं उसका शॉर्ट टर्म और लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट क्या है, जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ऑर्गेनिज्म है, अगर कोई भी एनिमल है उसका कंजम्पशन हो रहा है, वो उसका इकोलॉजी पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है. अगर ह्यूमंस की हम बात करें तो ह्यूमंस में इथिकल इश्यूज हैं. ठीक है, तो हेयर आर सम रिस्क बेसिकली ऑन इकोलॉजी और ऑन इन्वायरमेंट ऑन द इथिकल बेसिस. Now next one, that is the moral and ethical issues of genetic engineering. कि हम ह्यूमन क्लोन क्यों नहीं बना रहे, ड्यू टू दिस ethical reason only. Moral and ethical issues of genetic engineering. Moral and ethical issues of genetic engineering. First, it is sad to that technology can be so good or so bad depending upon how it is used. ठीक है, कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी है हम उसको इस बेसिस पे गुड और बैड कहते हैं कि हम उसको कैसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. Okay, now knowledge of the nature of the gene of an individual regarding its behavioral pattern, genetic disease or homosexuality could become unethical in terms of the violation of individual rights, identification of the genetic disease in a person can be used in a positive way for the treatment of the disease or in a negative way by social discrimination and may cause problem in employment, health insurance. Screening of genetic disorder could help in paternal diagnosis and curing of genetic diseases. Law should be made for the protection of the human right. Okay, protection of human right. Human right. Okay, and considering the ethical aspects of the effect of genetic engineering, therefore the Indian government has set up the organization that is GEAC, Genetically Engineering Approval Committee, GEC. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. It is of 1 marks question the board examination. Explain it. GEC, Genetically Engineering Approval Committee, government ने बनाया है for making decision regarding the validity of the GM research and the safety of introducing the GM organism for public service. Okay, now next one, that is genetic engineering can be used in cloning human, which can be lead to the production of either आइंस्टीन और आइदर हिटलर. अगर आप ह्यूमन क्लोनिंग की बात करेंगे तो हम या तो उससे आइंस्टीन बना लेंगे या हिटलर बना लेंगे. इट डिपेंड्स कि हम उसको यूज़ कहाँ कर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड विच कैन बी लीड टू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द आइदर आइंस्टीन और आइदर हिटलर. Ethical consideration are to be evaluated about the cloning of humans. There may be social problem for raising a clone baby without any parents. It is the ethical issue of this genetic engineering. ह्यूमन क्लोनिंग को नहीं कर सकते हैं कि विदाउट पेरेंट्स को हम बेबी को रेज कैसे करेंगे. एंड प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि प्रोडक्शन अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो वो हम उसको गुड यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो आइंस्टीन बन रहा है, बैड यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हिटलर बन रहा है. इट डिपेंड्स.